Hello, and welcome to Word Warehouse. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the irregular verb feel, together with another verb that follows a very similar pattern. Deal. You'll learn what they mean, how to use them naturally, and some common expressions you'll hear in everyday English. Let's get started. Feel, felt, felt. Deal, dealt, dealt. Can you see the pattern? Both verbs change their ending in the past simple and the past participle. Now let's look at their meaning and some common examples. Feel means to experience an emotion, a physical sensation, or to touch something to notice what it is like. I feel much better today. She felt nervous before the interview. I've always felt comfortable speaking English with my friends. Deal means to handle, manage, or solve a situation or problem. She deals with customer complaints every day. He dealt with the problem quickly. We've dealt with similar situations before. Before we finish, let's look at some common expressions with these verbs. Feel like means to want to do something or to be in the mood for something. Example, I feel like having a coffee. I feel like going skiing this weekend. I feel like having a pizza. I don't feel like going out tonight. Feel better means to recover or improve after being ill or unhappy. Example, I'm feeling much better today. When someone is sick, English speakers often say, I hope you feel better soon. Get well soon. I hope you feel better soon. Deal with means to handle, manage, or solve a problem, situation, or person. Example, I don't know how to deal with this problem. When deal is used as a verb, you'll most often see it followed by with, meaning to handle, manage, or solve a problem or situation. However, deal has a few other common meanings. Deal cards, to give out playing cards. He dealt the cards before the game started. Make a deal, to reach an agreement. The two companies made a deal after several weeks of negotiations. Deal can also be a noun. As a noun, deal means an agreement, a bargain, or an arrangement between people or companies. Here are some very common expressions. That's a good deal. We made a deal. It's a big deal. Remember, it's a big deal means it's very important, or it's something significant. You'll also hear this very common expression, it's not a big deal. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. People often say this to reassure someone that a problem or mistake isn't important. You'll hear these expressions very often in everyday English. Learning these meanings will help you understand deal in many different situations. Great job! You've just learned another useful irregular verb pattern. Keep practicing these verbs together, and they'll soon become part of your everyday English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.